Now let's just move on further towards the question number 4, which says a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So let's just talk about the solution of this particular question. So as you can see over here, the angle is already given to us. So let us suppose if I'm just taking the theta as nothing but 115 degree, it is already given to us, and it says each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters. So let us suppose if I'll just make this particular figure of this blade. So if I am having this particular blade on a car, then I can see that this blade will move in this particular sense and further in this particular sense, in this particular way, in a circular form, or you can say in a circular form the blade can move, and the angle which is made at the center is definitely 115 degree. It is already given to us, and the length of this particular wiper is given to us as 25 centimeters. So it means that the radius is given to us as nothing but 25 centimeter. And since there are two wipers, because we are talking about two wipers, so hence the area which is cleaned by, or at each sweep of the blades, area cleaned by the blades or the wipers is, let us suppose if I'm just writing it over here as total, it would be nothing but twice of, because we are talking about the two particular wipers. So we are just talking about the total area which is cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So it should be nothing but twice of theta by 360 into pi r square. So this would be nothing but twice of theta. Theta is nothing but 115 degree divided by 360 degree into pi. So let us suppose if I'm just using pi as nothing but 22 by 7 over here, and the radius is nothing but given to us as 25 whole square. So let's just sort it out. So this would be nothing but 2, 1 and 1. So this would be 2 and 1. This would be 2 and 8, 16, 0. Let's just talk about 5. So we have this as nothing but 5 into 3 is 15, 16, 17 and 18. It is 6 and 30. So this is 5, 2 and 10, 5, 3 and 15. So further we have 2 and 1 and 18. So this is nothing but actually coming out to be equal to 23 into, let us suppose this is actually nothing but 23 into 11 divided by 18 into 7, and further we have 25 into 25, that is nothing but 625 divided by 18 into 7. And when you will just sort it out, you will get the answer as nothing but, when you will multiply all these values, you will get the answer as 158125. When you will multiply all these values, 23 into 11 and then into 625, you will get the answer as 158125, and divided by 18 and 7, this would be nothing but 126. This would be 126. And now further, when you will divide both of these values, you will get the answer as nothing but 1254.86 centimeters. We have the dimensions as centimeters square. So this is centimeter square, because the unit that is given to us is nothing but 7 centimeter. So the area which is cleaned by the or at each sweep of the blades is actually nothing but is equal to 1254 point, it is 96, it is not 86, this is 96, this is 1254.96 centimeters square. So this is nothing but the answer for the question number 4.